almost lost it was Labastida. Tuluyan na nawala sa Parañaque yung bola. Malbog lang palabas.
Oh, that looked good.
Yung sa Caloocan, nagdami lang chances dun eh.
Yeah.
Kasi
Clear as day. Itong Rizal team na to has something to prove this season. I say that as you see a 3 right there by Jomar Santos proves, because when you look at the list of players that they've let go this season from last season, you let go of Samboy De Leon, you let go of Eric Camson.
Rizal with his unrelenting pace. Jing Gaspay will lay it up and in. Jomar Santos meron ng 21 puntos. Victoria off the dribble. Sarao sa loob, 2 points.
Staying in there, got good handle on that rock, got defense all over him, and still was able to finish.
JP Sarao was used sparingly, especially late in the season for Quezon. As Matiliano nails a free. So limited minutes in the playoffs. Did not really help that he got injured with that freak accident they had.
Yes.
Going to Abra.
Yeah.
And then Jolo Mendoza, even though he won a championship with the Weavers, limited minutes na lang din. AJ Coronel hitting a free. Naging magkakampiyan sa UE.
Ah, talaga?
Oo. Pangalawang tres na yan ni AJ Coronel.
Tama pala sila doon.
Yeah. They were part of that team that upset LaSalle where 46 points yan. But you have to give credit to the Golden Coolers. Came away with... What's the ceiling, Coach Mike, you think, for this Golden Cooler squad, given the talent that they have?
Well, pag tinignan mo ang kabuuan bit ng Cebu doon, I think we can't take away the credit for Cebu because June Manso in that game, in that opener in Binyan.
So there's some fierce competition in the division, and Rizal, especially with upcoming games against Mindoro and Basilan coming up.
Without a doubt. Kita mo naman, it really is a matter of if your Coach Mark Landan, and the window too would be an opportunity to get in some, pieces or talent that you might be needing to make that final push.
39.3, Tweety Santos left it short. Takbuhan na naman para sa Golden Coolers. Coronel, Wakali. Jose Koga, sinipat yung depensa, sidestep. Jomar Santos, meron ng 23 puntos. Santos is not yet done.
Yeah.
6 triple from Jomar Santos, 26 points.
No, he's shooting at a high clip.
Panganiban. Natalbog palabas ng kanyang tira. Hindi na lang pinapasok dito si... lahat pinasok na. Panganiban working with J-Boy Go. Pulling up. No good. Joey Lee Yu, the rebound and the putback, 112-74. Koga had a strong start to this game but fizzled out here. Knocks down the jumper though. Dikit pa hanggang second quarter, pero Rizal just switching into high gear. J-Boy Gom with the second triple. Kailangan mo iset yung graphics.
Yes.
Yung sequence.
Correct.
Ayun na, nakapuntos na. Si Ryan Panganiban.
Well, finally. At saka ramdam mo talaga yung chemistry ngayon itong Rizal. Much as this is a blowout game.
And this will be the final score. It was close up until a certain part in the second quarter.